Good morning, students. Already we saw the data mining, basics of data mining, KDD, primitives of data mining, functionalities of data mining, various sources of data mining in the previous classes. Today topic is major issues in data mining. So under this issues is nothing but it is a problem. The problem while we are using the data mining, what are all the problem we have to face? This is the issues of data mining. This can be divided into three categories. One is mining methodology and user interaction. Second one is performance issues. Third one is issues related to the diversity of data types. Next we are going to see one by one in detailed manner. The first problem of data mining is mining methodology and user interaction issues. So what are all the topics coming under this user interaction issues? Means that is, first one is mining different kinds of knowledge in databases. What is this? It includes the data characterization, discrimination, association, classification, clustering, trend and derivation analysis, similarity analysis. These are all the coming under the knowledge of my kind of knowledge in databases mined. Okay, this is the problem. This is nothing but it is what all the problem we have to face while we are using the data mining functionality. This is the first one. And second is the user interaction issues having the following problems. First one is interactive mining of knowledge at multiple levels of abstraction. Multiple levels of abstraction means that is the generalized level, physical level, logical level. These are the levels of abstraction. What is the example of this one? Means that is a OLAP on data cubes. That is the user can interact with the data mining system to view the data and discovered patterns at multiple granularities and from the different angles. While we have to face the sum of the problem, that are all coming under the interactive mining of knowledge at multiple levels of abstraction. And the second one is interactive mining of knowledge at multiple levels of abstraction. Okay, then second one is incorporation of background knowledge. That means information regarding the domain knowledge related to the databases. Domain is nothing but it is that particular places. What are all the problem we have to face while we are doing the methodology, data mining methodology. And third one is data mining query language and ad hoc. Data mining query language and ad hoc means that is while we are sharing the process to various sources means we have to face a lot of problems that are coming under the data mining ad hoc. Suppose we are going to interact with the databases or data warehouses by using the query language. That time also we have to face the sum of problems that is also coming under the data mining query language and ad hoc. Okay, and fourth one is presentation and visualization of data mining results. That means after presentation, how we can represent the output by using the trees, tables, rules, graphs, charts, crosstabs, matrices or curves. These all we have seen in the primitives of data mining. This is the presentation view. While we are presenting like using these things, we have to face the sum of the problems that will coming under the presentation and visualization of data mining results. And next is handling noise or incomplete data. That means handling noise means data cleaning is one of the method which is used to handle the noise while we are doing the data mining functionality. This is the analysis methods for the noise, and also outlier method is used for the other exceptional cases. And Last one is pattern evolution and interestingness problem. So what are all the problem? While we are doing this pattern evaluation, what is the problem we have to face? Means that is to access the interestingness of discovered patterns. Already we saw in the primitives of data mining, interestingness measures simplicity, novelty, certainty. These are all the some of the interestingness measures. We are doing the subjective measures based on the user beliefs or expectations. Okay. So these are all the problems while we are doing the mining methodology and task interaction, user interaction issues. And second problem is the performance issues. So what are all the performance issues? Means it includes three topics. One is efficiency, scalability, parallelization of data mining algorithms. What is the efficiency? Efficiency and scalability of data mining algorithm must be predictable and acceptable in large databases. And parallel and distributed or incremental mining algorithms means it divide the data into the partitions which are processed in parallel. அதாவது நம்ம parallel நம்ம வந்து டேட்டாவை partition பண்ணி நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது we have to face the some of the problem, that is a parallelization of the data mining algorithms. Scalableனா என்னது? அளவு, டேட்டாபேஸோட அந்த size of the databases அதை வந்து நம்ம ஹேண்டில் பண்ணும்போது we cannot do some predictable access, means that will also face the some problems. Okay, efficiency means யூசருக்கு அந்த டேட்டாபேஸ் எப்படி எஃபிஷியண்ட்டாக இருக்குது அப்படின்றத நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், பார்ப்போம். அந்த சமயத்தில் we have to face the lot of the problems that are coming under the performance issues. So what are the performance issues means it can be classified into three categories. One is efficiency, scalability and parallelization of data mining algorithms. Next is third issue of data mining means issues relating to the diversity of the database types. That means it includes handling of relational or complex types of data and mining information from heterogeneous databases or global information systems. These are all the issues coming under the diversity of the database types. அதாவது வந்து நம்ம ரிலேஷனல் டேட்டாபேஸஸ் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் டேட்டா டைப்ஸை நம்ம ஹேண்டில் பண்ணாலும் ப்ராப்ளம் அக்கர் ஆகும். அதே மாதிரி heterogeneous, different type, heterogeneous means different types of networks. அந்த இதில் நம்ம வந்து டேட்டா பேஸஸை நம்ம கெட் பண்ணி அதை வந்து நம்ம மெத்தடாலஜி அப்ளை பண்ணும்பொழுதும் குளோபலாக சில இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை வந்து காமனாக வச்சுட்டு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணும்போதும் we have to face the lot of problems. These are all coming under the issues relating to the diversity of the databases. So what we have to summarize in this class means we have to face the three kinds of problems in data mining issues. One is mining methodology under the user interaction, and second one is performance issue, and the third one is issues related to the diversity of database types. That's all, girls. Thank you.